Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the new Kobo Libra COLOUR along with the new Stylus pen. We're gonna do an unboxing, talk about the newest features, and I'm gonna share with you some tips and tricks that I find extremely useful. I'm also gonna show you guys how to have a custom wallpaper on your Kobo, so keep watching. What drew me towards this Kobo is the ability to annotate and draw with this pen and take notes. I'm always switching between my book or my Kindle and my phone so I can write in notes. Now it's all gonna be in one spot and it's gonna be so much easier for me. My workflow is gonna just be way more seamless. As you can see, my Kobo is already stacked with a few books already. I'm selecting Meet Me at the Lake. I heard it's really good, so I'm actually gonna start reading it. I really love that with this stylus you can organize your thoughts, underline things that have meaning to you, or even click on the side of the pen and go over it like that to make a highlight. The first thing I noticed about the Kobo is how light it is, even with the case, which I really appreciate, and it actually fits in my hand pretty nicely. I've never used an e-reader where I have to click buttons to change the pages, but I'm really enjoying that so far. We'll see how I like it as I actually read a book, but right now I'm enjoying it. But you can also just swipe through pages or click on the side of the page to change it as well. A really cool feature is that it is waterproof for up to 60 minutes and it is glare free. I love to read outside, especially if I'm on vacation, tanning, or even at like a cafe and I'm sitting by the window. I love that there will not be a glare, and I even noticed that now in my room with my lights on here, I can read it perfectly in any lighting condition. I really like how the audiobooks are integrated in this e-reader as well. That's gonna be super awesome for traveling. All my things will be in one: my notebook, my audiobooks, and my ebooks, all in this compact device. So it has 32 gigabytes of storage, which is 24,000 ebooks and 150 audiobooks. I don't think my library will ever get that large on here, but that's awesome to know. The game changer for me is that this is in color and that I can write notes. And I love that I can write notes in different colors as well, and even highlight and change the colors of those highlights. If you click on the pen on the top, you can actually select different sizes of the pen and colors. I love doodling on pages and just marking them up, but obviously I would never do that in a real physical book. So I really love that now I have the ability and freedom to draw around the book or even write some notes along the pages. I'm super excited to start reading a book and also listening to the audiobook simultaneously. I feel like that's going to be an awesome way to get through a book, because sometimes I don't want to read it if I'm in an airplane. Maybe I'll want to listen to the audiobook. So this is a really cool feature that I'm actually really excited for. Clearly you guys see my excitement. Let's get into some tips and tricks that I find super useful. On the side of your Kobo, you can put your finger up or down to adjust the brightness. I love that it's right there and I don't have to go deep in settings to change the brightness of the Kobo. So there's actually a little button right here on the side of the stylus, and if you hold it down while you're going over some words, it'll actually create a highlight. I'm really used to the shortcuts on my Apple Pencil, so I love that this has a quick feature to just switch between a regular pen and a highlighter. And it also has an eraser on the other end. So I'm also used to like double tapping to erase or like undo on my iPad, but I love that this has a regular eraser to erase, and it also works on things that you drew and any highlights on the page. There is a tiny bit of a lag sometimes if there's like a ton of stuff on my screen, but it's not noticeable and it doesn't bother me at all. What makes this device really unique to me is the notebooks. So if you click on new notebook, you could have a basic notebook or even an advanced notebook. This is one that converts your handwriting into text, super cool, and then you can also create folders. So let's start with a basic notebook. As you can see, I can do some doodles, I can write some notes, and I can also change the font. You can also change the different pens. We have ballpoint pen option, fountain, calligraphy, a brush, and a highlighter, the different pen sizes and colors. This is going to be really fun to play around with. It's really quick to respond, which I appreciate because I don't think I would use it if it wasn't. I'm too used to my iPad, so I like that this is responding quickly. So if you click on the three dots in the top right corner, you can actually click on change page background, and there are a ton of options. So as you can see, we have different columns, we have the dots, we have storyboarding. One that I really like is the margin one. So there, I feel like I'm going to write the page number of a section I really liked, and I'm gonna write the page number in the margin and then write down how I felt about it or my favorite quote from that section. Now, if we go to advanced notebook, you can write down anything you want and then double tap the screen and it will convert that into text. This is a pretty cool feature to have if you want everything streamlined into nice text. I can't believe I haven't mentioned this yet. If you put your stylus like this, it just magnifies onto the Kobo. I love that. I do wish that this little case had a space for my pen so that's just not like open like that, but I mean, it's no big deal. If you're gonna be writing a lot of notes frequently like I do, a quick tip is that you can actually swipe down from the top of the screen and quickly head over to your note. So now you don't have to go back into like the home page and then go to the notebooks. You just swipe down and you can go between notebook to the ebook or from a book to another book. This is really useful. When you're highlighting different sentences, you can actually change the colors so they're not always the same. I think I'm gonna have a little legend for myself where maybe pink highlights are one thing and green things are something else. I do feel like the colors are really nice and they're not distracting to the eye. If you share your Kobo account or Kobo with someone else, you might want to consider creating a custom collection. So me and my mom share, so I click on collections and then you can click on the three dots on the top right and click on new collection, Mama for example, and then you can select which books are hers. Let's put 2 in there. And now they have a custom collection. This just keeps everything organized and I feel like a lot of people don't know about this feature. I also just got the free trial of Kobo Plus and I'm really excited to go through there and check out all the new books. I feel like I'm always simultaneously reading 2 books at once. I either like reading a mystery thriller or a cute romance book alongside a like business development book, self-help. So I'm gonna try to find a book that I can read to relax and one that I can read in the mornings to inspire me and get me going throughout my day. I think I'm gonna head over to Book Talk and see what they say of what the best Kobo Plus books are right now, and I'm definitely gonna start reading. I have a bunch of long haul flights coming up, so let me know some recommendations down in the comments and then we can chat about how we liked those books together. If you know me, you know I love customization and I'm definitely gonna be adding some cute stickers to my Kobo, making it feel more like me. But in the meantime, I'm gonna create a custom wallpaper. It's super easy to do. First thing, head over to Canva and create a custom project. We're gonna make the dimensions 1264 by 1680. Now go over to Pinterest and you're gonna find your favorite photos, or even if you're feeling creative, you can actually create a custom background in Canva itself. I'm gonna go find a really cute picture on Pinterest. Let's go look there together. There's so many options. I feel like I could just be here forever. I'll link down below the 2 I chose so you guys can get those if you want. I thought these 2 were super cute, so let's go put that in our Canva. Just adjust the size and now we're going to export it as a PNG. Now with the USB-C, we're gonna plug in our Kobo to our computer. Now click to open the Kobo file. Now hit Command Shift and period to open up the hidden folders. Now just create a folder that says screensaver and just drag and drop your picture in from Canva. Now we're just gonna eject the Kobo. Now on your Kobo, hit settings, click on energy saving and privacy and make sure you have show current read turned on and show book covers full screen turned on. And there you go. Now you have your new screensaver. I think this is a super cute way to customize your Kobo and make it feel more like yours. I'm new to the Kobo world, so let me guys know any tips and tricks you have down in the comments and things that you find useful. As I said, I'm heading on a bunch of trips and I have a lot of time to read, so let me know your favorite book books down in the comments so I can enjoy them as well. I'm gonna head downstairs and read with a nice cup of tea, so I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Also, thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. I hit this about 4 days ago and I'm so happy. I was also speaking on a panel for YouTube Canada the same day that I hit 100K, so it was just such an amazing day filled of so much gratitude and joy. So thank you guys so much. You guys mean everything to me. I'm so excited to get the 100K plaque. I'll definitely be doing an unboxing. Hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.